Hey there fellow campers, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to search for a town or a place using the GallivantingSA app. Now as usual, we're going to start with clicking listings, and this will take you to the listings overview page with the funnel and the magnifying glass. For this exercise we'll be using the magnifying glass as we're using the search function. Clicking the magnifying glass will automatically bring up this page, which has the search bar and your keyboard. Just type in the name of the town, region or place that you're looking to explore. Click Done and the listings will populate on the map and also be shown in an alphabetical list below the map. The listings will reflect anything that has the word Brits in its description. That may be as part of the address, or Brits may be mentioned as being the closest town for shopping, but anything with Brits in it will display. And now that brings me to this wayward icon on the map, which is far away from Brits in the Northwest Province. And this is because although Canberra is in the Upper Karoo, its closest town is Britstown. And because we typed in BRITS and those identical letters appear in the word Britstown, it too will display on the map and on the listing. But let's get back to our map and our listing page. You can now scroll down the list below the map and click on any of these names and their listing will appear. Alternatively, clicking on the map will render a larger full page map, and you can use this to judge if you'd rather be north, south, east, west, slap bang in the middle. Clicking on an icon will display a card from which you can either click open and get full details of the listing, or you can click the Google icon to open the venue in Google Maps. Success, you've done it! You've searched for a town, place or region using the GallivantingSA app. Thank you for your time and happy camping!